specialization done, and you
Yes.
know where you can be approached for placements.
Definitely. Like as I just spoke about it, that when you are graduating in a particular thing, when you're graduating in fashion designing, there are n number of subjects that you're going to work on. So there's not going to be a specific course. Like say supposing I am graduating today, I'm doing a degree program today, I'm in my third year, and I decide in my third year that I want to become a visual merchandiser. Basically, a visual merchandiser is a specialization by itself. Is the display that you do is something nowadays. Everything is what looks good is appealing. The first thing that you see in any boutique is the display. So that is basically, I'm just giving you an example that in case I'm doing I want to specialize in that particular thing. I'm in my third year and I decide that I want to specialize in that particular thing. So what I do is I opt for a certificate program which will enhance my knowledge in depth for visual merchandising. Yeah, so you can do it simultaneously also, so there's nothing like that. But as I said, degree, if you don't have any other degree backing you, a degree program is anytime a yes in fashion designing. But if you already have a degree, then you should always go in for something which is like a more professional course, like a certificate program or something like that. Yeah.
Okay, now there is a question like, doing post graduation is important for getting into industry in fashion.
Okay, now post graduation is an add-on degree. Post graduation again enhances in a specific is a specific specialization that you're doing. Post graduation again is a 2-year program. So anything that you're doing is again giving in 2 more years after your graduation. So if you feel you want to have that special knowledge, in-depth knowledge, plus you want a degree to back it, that is an add-on degree to back it, you will definitely get a better pay scale when you go into the industry because you've got a double degree. So basically, this is the more sugar you add into any sweet dish, the sweet dish is going to be sweeter. So anything that you take, and the knowledge is something which is never going to go wasted. So it is up to a very personal choice whether after taking a degree you directly want to do a short-term specialized course and get into the industry, or you want to give a proper in-depth knowledge for 2 years and get into the industry. So anytime, obviously, an add-on degree is anytime going to be better as far as your acceptance in the industry. But again, you have to debate with yourself whether you want to give in 2 more years of education or you want to jump into the industry right away. Anything else? Any
Okay,
other
now
doubt?
there is a question: isn't portfolio more important than the certificate you hold in fashion?
See, now the thing is, certificate, like if you take yourself in your school, if you have appeared your school, you have appeared your board exam has got over, you have scored your marks. Your mark sheet will tell you all the details that you have done, right? Your mark sheet will be in your exam how much have you scored. So basically, in the same manner, your certificate is there, but if you have your portfolio with you, what adds on is your qualification and how you have worked all throughout. Yeah, so portfolio is very essential. No matter you have a degree, you don't have a degree, you have a certificate, you don't have a certificate, but the portfolio is something which is gonna prove your work. If I have hold a degree and I say I am very good at drawing or I'm very good at making a garment, who is going to believe it? So you need to have a proper portfolio, which is very essential. Nowadays you have a hard copy portfolio, you have digital portfolio, which is very essential. So anywhere you go, this is a must. Yeah. Any other questions, Reena?
There is a question: what is the difference between certified course and specialization?
Okay. Now, a certified course is basically going to be where you have programs which includes everything. Like in today's session, what I spoke about was everything in brief. So a certified program will have everything in brief, like be it sketching skills, be it tailoring skills, be it communication skills, be it merchandising skills, be it styling skills. So it'll have everything as a package. So when you have a certified program, you have everything in package, everything in brief. But a specialization program is something where I will go in depth in that one particular subject that I want to concentrate on. Like if I want to concentrate on illustration, so I will be doing only that in depth, the different techniques of illustration. If I want to become a pattern maker, so I will be doing a specialization program. I will be doing a specialization basically a specialization program in pattern making, so that I get the in-depth knowledge, the intricate knowledge about how to stitch each and every single type of patterns. If I want to become a merchandiser, I get into a merchandising program, a sort of specialization program, where I get to know the differences and the different types of merchandisers that I can become. So basically, a certified program is something which gives you a briefing on everything, and a specialization program will be specifically to that particular thing that you want to opt for.
So, do you think fashion design is more design oriented or fashion oriented? Does fashion design focus on design thinking
Sorry,
as a whole?
sorry, I didn't get you. I just lost your voice in the way.
Do you think fashion
Hmm.
design is more design oriented or fashion oriented? Does fashion design focus on design thinking as a whole?
See, basically, fashion design and fashion is yeah. So basically, if you have designed something, you see to it that it becomes a fashion. Otherwise, why will you design something? So it is not that which is better or which is the one which is there, but it is both hand in hand. You need to design for it to become a fashion. So it is, I think it's just hand in hand.
Okay, there is one question which I would answer. So there is a question which speaks which are the top fashion colleges in India, which is the fashion college you recommend. So my dear students, this platform is not where we are marketing anybody. We are in fact not marketing ourselves also. It is a
Yeah, that
platform of
is
pure career guidance. We
guidance.
ourselves is a
Yeah.
fashion college and we have all the programs available. So we do not market them yet. This is only an input session, so we will not be
Hmm.
using this for any marketing. Google is available to all and Google gives all the correct information, so trust them and you can follow
Yeah.
them. Yeah, for I guess we are done with most of the questions and we are also out of time. It's only 3 minutes more to go. So for any further queries, you can stay tuned with us on the groups which are created. Put your questions there. We have one more session by an expert who's an educanist from the fashion industry, who's taking another session on career. She's going to give you 3 important steps that you need to follow in fashion, which is coming up next week. So stay tuned and you can register for that session also. In fact, we will be giving you coordinates for all the sessions which will be happening on fashion. So any further questions, you can continue with the questions for about a minute more. So if a student has done his her diploma in fashion, what shall he do next? A degree or a master's?
Now, very see, now for any degree program, if you want to get into any degree program, no matter if you've done your diploma or you've not done your diploma, if you want to get into your degree program, the base line of any degree program admissions to any colleges will be your HSC certification. So if you want to get into your degree program, you should be at least a 12th pass. So basically, if you are a 12th pass, you will be able to do your degree program. You cannot get into a master's program after having any qualification as a diploma or a certificate. So you compulsorily have to go step by step. You need to have a degree and then only you can go in for your master's. There are many masters PG course PG courses where it is a certificate PG courses. So you can go in for even that if you want. If you've done a diploma or if you've done an advanced diploma, you can go in for these PG programs, that is post graduation programs, which do not have a specific qualification requirement as a degree. So if you want to do that, you can even opt for that. But if you ask me for a suggestion, after the diploma, if you cannot jump into masters, you will have to compulsorily do your degree and then do your masters. Any other thing? Any other diploma? Any other questions are there? Reena?
No, I guess we are done.
Done
The
with the
call will,
session, yeah.
yeah, the session will cut any time now. So,
Yeah.
time
Please
up,
do stay
guys.
tuned. Yeah, please stay tuned. There are lots more sessions happening on fashion. So please do stay tuned. Please attend all the webinars that's been arranged by the Mentors Hub. And I hope to see you all again and many more. See you from me.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
all. Stay tuned. Looking forward to meet you all again.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, ma'am.